This place was completely ruined. No one wanted to step inside.
Step one, removing years of garbage. It's not easy, but every piece I lift brings this room back to life. Now that the trash is gone, the real work begins. Years of dust, slowly fading away. This is where the real transformation happens, washing away years of dirt, one stroke at a time. Now it's time to fix the damage. Every crack, every broken part has to be repaired before we move forward. This is where everything changes. A fresh coat of paint can bring any space back to life.
It's time to bring it all together, turning this empty space into something comfortable and alive. From nothing to something beautiful. This is what hard work can do. A complete transformation.